Hey there, future investor. Ready to dive into the world of mutual funds without feeling like you need a PhD in finance? Great. Click the link in the description below to get your discount on our special offer, and let's get started. So, what exactly are mutual funds? Think of them as the ultimate potluck dinner where everyone brings a dish. You chip in some money and so do a bunch of other people. Then, a professional chef, aka the fund manager, takes all that money and whips up a smorgasbord of investments like stocks, bonds, and other goodies. You get a slice of the whole feast. Now, why should you care about mutual funds? Well, they're a fantastic way to diversify your investments. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, you're spreading your money across a whole range of assets. Less risk, more fun. First things first, you'll need to pick a mutual fund. There are thousands to choose from. But don't panic. Start by figuring out your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement? A down payment on a house? Or just looking to grow your wealth? Next, decide what type of fund matches your goals. For example, if you're young and can handle some risk, go for an equity fund that invests in stocks. If you're more conservative, maybe a bond fund is your jam. And if you love the idea of mixing it up, a balanced fund offers a bit of everything. After that, check out the fund's performance and fees. You don't want to pay too much in fees, or it'll eat into your returns. Look for funds with a solid track record and reasonable expenses. Pro tip: past performance isn't a guarantee of future results, but it's a good place to start. Alright, now that you've done your homework, it's time to invest. You can buy mutual funds directly through the fund company, through a broker, or even within a retirement account like a 401k or IRA. One last thing, keep an eye on your investments. Check in periodically to make sure your mutual funds are still aligned with your goals. And don't freak out over short-term market swings. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. And there you have it. Investing in mutual funds doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It's like having a financial fairy godmother to guide you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your discount on our special offer. Happy investing! Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands. See you next time.